In this video, we are going to see how to upload a file to a server. So, not just by uploading, not just uploading file to the server, we are going to see some validation as well. What validation do we have? We are just going to upload only the JPEG format, and if there is no file selected, there will be a message: choose a file. Please, as you can see, if I click on choose file, and I'm not going to choose anything. I'm going to just close the file explorer and going to click on upload. You will see the message. Please choose file format. The same way, if I choose PNG format other than JPEG, you will see the error unsupported file format. You will get the source code in the description. This is the PNG image. If I click on upload, you will see unsupported file format. Now, whatever files we are going to upload, the uploaded files will be in the folder uploads. Let me minimize it so that you can see. Yeah, the whole thing is going to be inside this folder. Let me choose a file. In this case, please note the name of the file, because while uploading we are going to change the name of the file as well. All the images are in the image folder. I'm going to open this CSS file. The name is CSS. If I open it, you can see the file is attached. It is a JPEG format, JPG format. If I click on upload, you'll see the images which is from the server got over our page. Fine, the name is also changed. Now the images folder has the image which we have uploaded right now, and it has a name which is a random number. Previously it was CSS, now it is 31 something, some random number. Fine, let me show you the file structure. Here we need to create a folder called images, and we need two files, index and upload. Let me show you what the index file consists of. The index file simply has the design for our index page, and we are going to use Ajax. Fine, this is the form which has ID my form, and all the text which you have seen on the screen. We have an input type file which has an ID and a text and a button to upload and a div to preview all our images. Let me remove all the Ajax and start from scratch. The first thing, we are going to send the form information to another file which is upload.php. Fine, we are going to use choose a form. The form has a ID my form. Add a listener to it. Submit. This is the function. When I submit, the first thing I have to do is I have to remove its default function by when I click on when I click on submit, it should not get into the new page. So to stop it, I would be using e dot prevent default. This will stop the default behavior of the form. Now I'm going to use the Ajax and going to send the data of form to the upload.php. This should be the file name, upload.php, and a method and a content type false, so that Ajax don't convert our file image to string. Data process false, and the data is going to be the form data. New on success, what should happen? I want to fill the div which has id with the image. This div should be filled with image. Dot html, and the input type file should be get converted to blank when I click on the button. I click on the upload button. Fine. This hash dot value, since it is input, it has value, not text. Fine. Now it's time for the upload file, upload.php. We are going to get the file name by using the files, and the name of the input field and name. For temporary I'm going to save it as hello.abc. This file is this name value. Fine. If the file name which I got from the Ajax is blank, is not blank, then echo file uploaded, else echo file not uploaded. Don't forget the semicolon. So instead of getting into index.php, I'm going to get into the upload.php. That's the reason why I have given a temporary name hello.abc. On line 6 there is an error. Yep, we have given temporary name, so it's working. Now we are going to check the extension. So create a variable, and this extension will convert the file name explode dot and get the last value. You can see we have hello as you can see, we have two value, hello and abc. We are going to separate the two value and store it into a array. So I'm going to use explode, so it will explode on dot. So we get two value, hello and abc, in the array format. So I need the last one, so I used n function. So right now the extension contains abc. Let's check what does it have. Again, fine, it's working. Now I'm going to check the file format. So the allowed file format, I'm going to create an array and store the allowed file in array, which is JPEG and JPEG format. So these two are array. So I'm going to compare these two array in underscore array. I'm going to check whether this array is in the second array, whether the first extension is there in the allowed format array extension. If these two are present, so this would be the condition. If the value is present, then supported file format. If it is not present, then say unsupported file format. Now it should say unsupported because our extension is ABC. Now I'm going to change from ABC to JPG. Now we will see supported file format. Yep. Now we're going to upload the file to a folder called images. Before that, I'm going to change the name, new underscore name. New name will be a random number with dot followed by the extension which we have uploaded, and going to define a path. This would be, as I have shown you, images is the folder followed by the name of the file. Now I'm going to choose whether file uploaded properly or not. Move uploaded file. So this would contain our file which will be stored in dollar underscore files tmp underscore name, and the second one where we are going to move is the path. If it is moved, echo the image file. Now if it is successful, I want to display the path as image. Dollar path, else you should say there is an error in uploading file. That's all. Thank you so much for listening. Get the source code in the description. Here just type